The main topic of the book, Journey of Souls, by Michael Newton, is the exploration of the afterlife through the experiences of people who have undergone past life regression therapy. Newton was a psychologist who specialized in hypnotherapy and regression therapy, and through his work with clients, he discovered that people could remember their past lives and the experiences they had in the afterlife. The idea of the book is to provide readers with a glimpse of what happens after death, based on the experiences of people who have gone through regression therapy. Newton describes the journey of the soul from the moment of death to the moment of reincarnation and explains the different stages and realms that the soul passes through. The book provides insights into the purpose of life and the spiritual lessons that people learn through their experiences. One reason to read this book is to gain a deeper understanding of the afterlife and what happens to the soul after death. It can help readers come to terms with their own mortality and provide comfort for those who have lost loved ones. The book can also provide spiritual insights and help readers connect with their own spiritual path. The book can teach readers about the different stages of the afterlife, including the life review, the realm of rest, the realm of healing, and the realm of education. Each of these stages has its own purpose and lessons, and the book provides a detailed description of each one. Here are some quotes from the book. "We are spiritual beings having a physical experience, not physical beings having a spiritual experience. The true essence of the soul is not a physical entity, but a point of consciousness that can take on many forms and identities in different lifetimes. Each of us is a unique individual with a special purpose and destiny to fulfill in this life and beyond. The afterlife is not a static or unchanging place, but a dynamic and evolving realm that reflects the growth and evolution of the soul. The purpose of life is to learn and grow spiritually, to become more loving, compassionate, and wise, and to fulfill our unique destiny and purpose." Overall, Journey of Souls is a thought-provoking book that can provide readers with a deeper understanding of the afterlife and the purpose of life. It can help readers connect with their own spirituality and provide comfort for those who have lost loved ones. The book is well-researched and based on the author's own experiences with clients, making it a valuable resource for anyone interested in the subject of the afterlife.